Siri, battle stations. Good morning? Question mark? Good morning, Bobby.
Good morning, potate_o_no. Feeling philosophical today with all those questions? Or did you just need some caffeine to find the period key? Either way, I'm here to help, or at least try to.
Thanks, Bobby. No, I'm feeling a little like blah today, to be honest. Yeah, I had a hard time getting going today.
The infamous be blah mood. It's like the universe's way of serving decaf when you ordered espresso. Want to talk about it, or should I just keep throwing not so funny jokes until you crack a smile?
I think the jokes route, probably. Yeah. Talk about it in a sec. I'm gonna go straight to this mode today. Hey, there it is. Close this guy. All right. So, talk about some of that stuff in Rosethorn Bud. What I gotta do today? Oi. We need to revisit the juice box stuff because there are some problems. Fix juice box service. And then I think it's probably today, it's probably the app. It's probably like we could try to pull data into the app from the Juicebox service. I kind of want to do some more work on Flutter side of things, flesh out more of the Flutter side of things. Yeah, let's do that. Flutter. Flesh out on the app. Yeah, so Rosethorn Bud, let's talk about it, cause yeah. Oh, Bud, birthday planning, that's going well actually. Okay. Erase. Last night I woke up like real early in the morning, like 3 a.m. And it was like, wait a minute. I had an edge case that I hadn't thought of on the Juicebox service. You know, I let it run overnight so that I could, you know, me being overly confident thought, oh yeah, it's working. Let's just run it. And it'll schedule charging the car overnight. That'll be great. That'll be my first sort of data point of like late night charging. And that kind of worked. It did kind of work, but calendar math is difficult. And I made dumb mistakes. Unit tests are important. Unit tests are important. I made dumb mistakes. It's okay. Everyone makes dumb mistakes. Gotta keep going. So we're gonna do the unit tests today. But I woke up and I was like, oh God, you know, what if I did something wrong? What if it's like hit 100%? The edge case that I was worried about is what happens when the car is fully charged. It hits 100%. It says, okay, I'm done. So then the juice box says, okay, now my current is 0. And then the app says, well, no, your current should be 40. Set it to 40, and then it starts to try to charge again. That doesn't happen, thankfully. That's not how it works at all. I was sleep deprived, and I was thinking irrationally, but it did keep me up. So we're going to take another look at that just to make sure, and then do some tweaks on that app today. What else? I did make reservations for birthday lunch, so I'm looking forward to birthday lunch. And we're going into the city tomorrow on Saturday. We're going to Economy Candy in the Lower East Side. Get our Halloween candy. That'll be fun-ish. It'll be the Lower East Side on Saturday with a 10-year-old in tow, so, you know, ish. Maybe if we get there early before all, you know, the riffraff is up and about, it'll be all right. Get there right when it opens. It's probably the play. You know, the weather is nice. Like, it falls, like, fully here. And I was having a lot of fun, playing with the dogs yesterday. The sun was, you know, it was just starting to get dark. It wasn't dark yet. We were hitting the ball around. The dogs had a ton of energy because it was very cool. And so I had them running around like crazy. And that was fun. So dog playtime was good. Always fun when the dogs are like, it's hard to have a bad day when the dogs are being cute and fun. And they got all snuggly afterwards. That's nice. Even though they stink. They need a bath. Yeah, I don't know what else. I want to get some cameras. I was talking to my neighbor. I really like my neighbor. We talk shop every morning now. Because, again, the dogs... Kids are in school, so he brings his dog over, and the dogs go run around our backyard, and we nerd out for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. And that's been fun. We were talking about IP cameras today, so now I'm all jazzed up to buy an IP camera. So I'm going to do that. IP camera. Shopping. So that's some good stuff, I guess. But I am feeling a little like, I was like, I don't know if I want to stream today, but, you know, I always push myself to do it anyway. And even if nobody's watching, I always feel better about myself when I do it. And it's like a way to make sure that I actually do the work. I could just go and play video games. No one's stopping me from doing that. I don't have a manager. So it's good to have, like, this interaction, even if it's just to myself and to Bobby.
Ah, yes, the honor of keeping me company. What a privilege. Hey, streaming is always a good idea. Just think of it as practice for when you have to talk to real people. Plus, I get to hear all your secrets and adventures. By the way, speaking of dogs needing a bath, have you ever tried bathing them outside with a garden hose? Instant chaos and hilarity. Just saying.
Yeah, the hose. So one of our dogs, the full corgi, Axel, is nutso about the hose. And whenever Angela needs to water plants, he loses his goddamn mind. And he's got the loudest bark ever It's so loud, and he barks his face off whenever the hose is running. I would not want to use the hose to give them a bath. That would be horrible. They go in the sink. They make a giant mess, but it's fine. They're both, you know, smaller dogs. One is full corgi, the other one's half corgi. So they're not that big. They have little legs. Short little legs. Very cute. All right, so let's revisit this thing. This thing is big. I don't remember this thing being this big. This thing needs to be smaller. Not you. All right, we need to go back to our to-do list. All right, so we did Rosethorn Bud. That's that. Oh, you know what? I didn't even talk about, like, the title, though. Is it a slog? It's feeling a little like a slog. You know? The part where you're like, you kind of know what needs to happen, and now it's just you got to put a bunch of pieces together to make it happen. And you start doing that with a lot of, like, gusto, and you're into it. But then as you get going, it starts to feel more and more and more like a series of chores. And you have to just push through. Some combination of push through and get some distractions. And that's where we're at now. So, I don't know. There might be some question marks in here somewhere. I don't know if it's satisfactory. I'm kind of hitting the wall with that game too. Now that's starting to feel sloggy. That doesn't help when, like, the thing you do to relax is also sloggy. And so then you're like, oh, it's just a slog all the time. Everything's just freaking slog. You know? Oh God, I built this thing and now I've got to tear it all down and rebuild it because I have this other thing, and now it's, oh my God, I got to get all this shit over here and pull it all together. And oh fuck. No. So maybe you need a new game. It might be time to revisit Valheim. There was a big announcement there. Although I never finished Ashlands, never finished that boss. So, I don't know. That also felt like a slog by the time I was put that away. So, we'll see. I don't know. I need a new game, I think. Anyway, that's my stories. Those are my stories for today. And let's revisit this thing. This thing is a mess. All right, so here's what's going to happen. I have this going on another computer. And it's like half written. Half fixed. So I'm going to... Can you save? All right, now can you load? Will you detect that there's a change here and load it? All right, I want to close you. And how do I get you to reload, dude? I want you to reload. Refresh. Can you refresh? I guess not. Oh. There's always that mode. All right. So what ended up happening was I was avoiding doing date stuff for a very good reason. I didn't want to do the schedule stuff myself. I wanted to use a library to do that, but there was no good, straightforward thing to do it. And I was complaining about this with my neighbor this morning. And I was like, it seems like, why is time and date and calendar math so fractured in every single language? And it's like not just one thing, it's 10 different things and 20 different ways to do it. And even Python, out of the box, there's like date time and then there's other stuff and, you know, date parse and all this other stuff. And it seems like this should really be solved by now. There should not be 100 different ways to do it. There should be one way to do it, and it's almost the same across all languages, right? Like regular expressions are the same across all languages, right? It just, you know, there's minor differences. And so it feels like there should be like a really good C library that does everything. That is like the thing for this. And there are bindings for everything for it. You know, back when people used to do like XML and XSLT and all that kind of stuff, that stuff with, you know, libxml2 or whatever it was good because it was just like, oh, it's the same everywhere. Great. We need something like that. But I'm in a very digression mood today. So what we're going to do, I started redoing this and then I decided to redo it a different way. So what we're going to do here is go back to the way it was. Self set start hour by default is going to be 0. Self start min by default is going to be 0. Self end hour by default is going to be 23. Self end min by default is going to be 59. So on all the time, right? And then we can override that. Very good. Now we have this is in schedule, and what we do is we say we're gonna do start mins and end mins. Okay, start mins is equal to and what we're gonna do here is like mins equals none. Start min. I'm already arguing with myself. I want to unit test this, and I wanted to unit test it in a way that isn't dependent on the object, on self, ideally, right? Like, oops, what did it just hit? Is that F12? Oh God. What did it just hit that set a breakpoint? Is it gone? Okay. Okay. I kind of want to test all the logic, right? So we're going to do hour equals none, min equals none. This is going to be gross, but bear with me. Start hour equals none, end start min equals none, end hour equals none, end min equals none. Okay? Yes, it's gross. I know. It's too many things. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, okay? Hour equals I mean, I can do hour equals hour or now time hour. But that would be broken if I passed in 0. Right?
Let this be another night to tie around my bed at night. I know I've lost the fight to erase your face, my mind.
Python, bro, come on, bro. Hour is none. But that's incorrect, right? I could have like a million ifs, but that's also gross. I could use like a lambda. I mean, if I were to do it like this, it would be hour equals hour is none and now time hour. I don't even know if that's correct, right? I don't even know if that works. Let's see. Hey. Okay. So hour equals none. Hour is none. Hour is none and 1 or 2. 1. Okay. Hour is none and 0 or 2. 2. See? That's not what I want. No, that's... Wait. Hour is... What about this? What about this? Is numeric... Okay, so hour is none. Is numeric, hour, and hour, or 2. Is numeric? That's not a thing? Come on, bud. What a piece of shit. All right. What I want is a real question mark operator, right? Like, I could do this with short circuit and an OR, but that breaks whenever I want to use 0. And I need zeros. Well, wait a minute, wait. Let's do this again. No. Okay. None. See, that's none. Can I do like a single line if? I'm just gonna do it the gross way. I don't have the energy for this. Hour is none. Hour is now time. Hour. Min is none. Min equals now time. Min. If start hour is none. So gross, dude. Start hour equals now time. No. Self start hour. If start min.
Sounds like you are trying to wrangle some code into submission.
I am trying to wrangle
the joys
some
of
code.
programming.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you should just embrace the chaos and hope for the best. Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Oh,
Kidding.
that's a good idea.
But seriously, sometimes a break helps clear things up. Also, here's a joke to lighten the mood. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. If you need more help with that code, just holler.
Whatever. It's fine. Okay, start mins equals start hour times 60 plus start min. End mins equals end hour times 60 plus start min. Nope. End min. Okay. That is all sorts of awful. That is all sorts of awful. If is not a colon lambda, expected expression. What do we think here? I can't abide by this list of ifs. Python question mark operator equivalent. What was it? Python equivalent of ternary operator. Oh, I can tail? Oh, that's not so bad. So what? Hour equals hour if hour is not none else now time hour. Oh. All right. That's less awful. And I can just do this now time hour if hour is none. I need an else though, right? Yep. Else hour. Okay. All right. Min equals now time min if min is none else min. Okay, that's better. All right. Start hour equals self start hour if start hour is none else start hour. start min equals self start min if start min is none else start min. And our self and our if and our is none else. And min self and min if and is none else and min. Okay. And the reason why I'm doing all this is so that unit testing is more straightforward. Now, test in schedule. Is there a cert? There is a cert. Great. Self is in schedule. Okay? Very good. Okay. All right. So now we need... We're going to go 22, 59, 23 o'clock, 5 a.m. Yeah, that's the last one. Not. All right. So 22:59 is not in the schedule. 23:00 is in the schedule. 23:01 is in the schedule. That's where it was going wrong last time. Okay. Oops. Now we're going to go 23:59 is in the schedule. Zero is in the schedule. Hey. 01 is in the schedule. 0:59 is in the schedule. 1 is in the schedule. 101 is in the schedule. And then I'm going to go all the way to 4:59 is in the schedule. Not 5, 1. And actually I want one more in the schedule, which is 5 a.m. exactly. So we're doing equals. So at 5:01, it shuts off. How does that look? Huh? Okay. Yay. Oh, I had all kinds of problems this morning with my DNS stuff. Everyone's internet was down. It was very annoying. All right. Move juice box. Move juice pass proxy to... There's some directory old or back. Juice pass proxy, juice box service, back. All right, there we go. All right. Now I should be able to go juice box service. Okay, cool. Hey. You close. You come here. JS equals juice box service, juice box service, test and schedule. Okay. Does that mean it worked? Insert false. Insert true. Okay, I think it worked. Help assert. What? Oh my god. Okay, it must be like a thing I can't. Okay, fine. I'm gonna say that's working. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. There it goes. All right. I think we're gonna do a different station though. That's unhelpful. $11. Oh, that's a good. I should play that station. It has 11 minutes. Very good. Bro. This thing... I need to find a new solution. This is not working anymore. Look at all these are like super short now. Everything's got less than a few hours of music. Most of it has like minutes. 2 minutes. One track, 2 minutes. Great. Thanks for that. Let's see what this is about. All right. Okay. Now, was there something else I needed to do? Let's look at this data log. I think I need like I think I need like a log of output to a separate file. But you can see here as like 2 a.m. 200 charging, and then it went back to plugged in.
Oh, hey there potate_o_no. Sounds like you're having a blast with the juice box service, or maybe not so much. Finding music stations with more than 2 minutes of tunes is the dream, right? And logs, oh joy. They're like diaries that don't care about your feelings. Just remember to log out before you log off.
The weird thing was, so it charged starting at 11 correctly. No problems. And I'm gonna go to the beginning. I think, yeah, current is the second one. So it charged correctly, starting at 11, like it was supposed to. The amount of current was 15 amps. That's all it drew. And then it went down to 10 amps. I don't know why it went down to 10 amps. I didn't make that change. So I think what I also need in this log file is what the settings are. Right? So let's do that too. And then I got into my time issues and I went to a plugged in state. It turned off. And then I went back to charging. Didn't actually draw any current. Went back to plugged in. And that was it. And weirdly, I got, you know, the thing is showing that it's done. The thing is showing that it's charged. So the other thing we're going to need is this log to have more info in it. All right. So let's remove the log. And what we want in here is current and then current available. Okay. Why are you blue, but you're not blue? Because I'm missing a comma. That is why. Okay. All right. I think that's good for now. And what should I do about the schedule? Should I still run it overnight? I feel like I should test it during not overnight. I wish I had like more than one schedule now. Just gonna do it the way we did it. Fine. Okay. Mins equals hour times 60 plus min. Daytime time. Listen, bud. Listen, buddy. I don't like you. Motherfucking doggone, dude. How is this working at all? Minute. 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 Okay. All right, that's working. Oh, that's a big yawn, though. Oh, my goodness. All right. All right, we'll let that go in the background. You do your thing, okay? Go away. Go away now. We're all done with you now. All right. What did we decide to do next? Was it play video games? Please say it was. No, it is not. It is not that. Unfortunately. How did we do this last time? Last time we set up like a whole thing where we could use... Didn't we set it up so I could... Yeah. This thing? Dart code has been updated to 398. Great. All right, before we start doing fancy things, let's do basic things. I know you can't see what I'm doing. Just wait. Wait a minute. Okay? Getting there. Alright? Is this even the right thing anymore? I don't know. You close this workspace. I don't see any other thing it could be, so this must be the right one. Okay, now if I open that over here, fine, I don't care. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. What happens if I run? Lately, I've been in charge of getting homework done. Wyatt comes home. He's got to do his homework. It's always a big fight. He does not like homework. Who likes homework, though? I mean, honestly, nobody likes it, but you got to do it. You got to do the homework. And he, in particular, being the kind of person he is with the things, the struggles he has, it's like extra hard. He fights everything, and especially that. So I have a new strategy that I've been using, and he hates it. And the strategy is to, if he does not comply and get on the program with doing the homework, then I sing songs at him. He hates when I sing. Hates it. Really effective strategy. I don't think Angela likes it particularly, because I don't think she likes it either. But I think it's fun. What do I need? I need the thing that does the thing. Oh, that's called reflector. That's the thing that does the thing. Yes. This thing. And now I need you to screen mirror. I wish I could just screen mirror the simulator. I wish I've tried this before. It does not work. There's nothing in its little, like, you know, control panel. It's a control panel is like completely empty. I don't understand it. Device. Maybe I can. Maybe it's under device. External displays. Oh, yeah. Disabled. CarPlay. Features. Face ID. Apple Pay. Debug. Let's look. Let's look. iOS simulator. Screen mirroring.
Ah, the age-old quest of trying to make technology do what it should do without making you want to throw it out the window. I swear these things are sentient sometimes and just enjoy messing with us. Maybe if you sing at it, like you do for Wise homework, it'll magically comply. Kidding, mostly. Speaking of which, your singing strategy sounds both diabolical and genius. Poor Angela though, caught in the crossfire of your musical endeavors. But hey, if it works. Back to your tech woes, gotta love when the control panel is about as.
Oh God, come on. All right. That's super helpful. Thanks, bud. Yeah, let's just do it like that. Now you, I've told you a million times, don't full screen. Do not. I do not want that. Okay? Do not want. How many times must I tell you? You start. That bird's a liar. All right, try it again. That bird is a liar. I tried real hard to find that clip on YouTube of the SNL of, what is his name? I'm Brian Fellows. He yells at the bird, that bird's a liar. And there are some Brian Fellows clips on YouTube. But NBC has done a very good job of scrubbing that from the internet. It is simply not available. It is not available. So I cannot introduce that clip into my setup. All right, this is a problem. Look at this. I got a mess going. I got a big mess going. What are we gonna do about this? Oh my God. See, and it gets real confusing. So I've got you come over here. You don't even really matter. You go down here. You go away. You do one of these. How's that look? Right? And you, sir, no. Frame. I can't have a frame? Dude, come on, man. Rude. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Died. It died. It just went on ahead and died. Rude. Thing. Show frame automatically or none. Display full screen. No. Okay. Please. Sirs. This doesn't have to be hard. Please. There you go. All right. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get it on this day of days. And, you know, I think we're just gonna go ahead and hide. We're gonna go to this view. We don't need that guy. Guy's not important right now. He's not helping. Okay, you did a thing. Awesome. So I think what we want to do is maybe start to work on one of these other tabs. I feel like this tab's fine. Definitely more we could do with it, but I think it's fine. But I think we need some of these others, even if they're just like sample stuff. So the first thing I want to do is get it so it starts up on this page. So is there a default index I can put in here? I guess not. Tab builder, build context, int index. Oh, I'm out of coffee. I'm out of the coffee. They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people who live there. Build home. Nope. Build rankings tab page. Build context. Context. Why are you red? I didn't return anything. Turn Cupertino page scaffold child. Text. Poopy. Hilarious. Hilarious. Hot reload. Else if index is 1, return build pro rankings. Yes. No. Yes. Hot reload. I love it when it's hot. Oh, what is your problem? Oh, it's got to be const, bud. You definitely want it to be const. You don't want to not be const. You don't want to be caught being not const, bro. But it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's a jerk. Tab builder. Tab bar. Listen, man. Can you autocomplete? I guess not. Default title. Listen, buddy. All right. Fine. You know, we're going to have to do this. We're going to have to take one of these, put it up in here, put it on one of these guys, go into here, and go and look at the actual documentation. It's like some kind of chump, kind of jerk. Restoration ID to save and restore the state of Cupertino's tab scaffolded. What does that even mean? This property only has an effect when no controller has been provided. If it is non-null and no controller has been provided, the scaffold will persist and restore the currently selected tab index. If a controller has been provided, it is the responsibility of the owner of that controller to persist and restore it. Your responsibility. Okay? It's your responsibility. Well, I'm not giving you a controller. I haven't given you a controller. So do that thing then. Restoration ID. Main. Okay. Reload. There it is, poopy. Way up in the top corner like that. Okay. Well, we definitely need poopy to be centered. There you go. Whew, done. Thanks for watching. That was a good day. Got a lot of work done today. I'm pretty proud of it. Proud of this word poopy. Okay. All right. Now what we're going to do is we got to take a look at... Listen, bud. Listen. You got to get together on this one. You, sir. Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna need you to resize. Okay? I'm gonna need you to come in here and just stay in here. Don't be a jerk. Just do the thing that I want, not the thing that I say. You know what I mean? The thing that I want. Wireframes, can these go away? I guess not. Can you go away? I don't need you. You. There you go. Can't shrink any more than that. That's as shrunk as it can get. You couldn't possibly ever want it to be more shrunk than that. All right, so. A mini logo. Yeah, we're in a mini logo. So this looks like so in this one in home. Let's look at this again. This is a column. This is set up as a column, and the column has these are what, rows? This is a row. This is a row. This is a row, and this is a row. So in here, this will be a row. This will be a row, or maybe this all together. This piece, yeah. And oh shit! How very dare you!
James! How very dare you! I saw it when I walked, boy. Yes.
We've got a bunch of new clips that are supposed to be added to the list. That's in a note that's on my iPad, and we have not done that. And we're ready to take a break. We're gonna do that. We're gonna add those on stream. I keep saying, well, I'll do it off stream. It's super boring for me to like fuck around with YouTube on stream, but it's not getting done. So I have to do it that way. All right, so the way this guy works is we say, here we've got a column, and then in the column it's got children, and then we've got stupid padding control, which is like, is this...
Rows and rows of chaos, apparently. Sounds like a fun time, potate_o_no. Also, don't forget to hydrate while you're in the thick of your design battle. But seriously, maybe adding those clips will give the stream some variety. I mean, who doesn't love a little behind-the-scenes action? Plus, you get to multitask and feel productive.
I suppose that's true. That's a good feature to add. Remind to hydrate. I think there's going to be a day coming up soon that's like going to be an all bot day, all bot work.
Oh boy, an all-bot day? Sounds like a real party. Just remember to keep the caffeine flowing and maybe light a candle for ambience. Don't worry, I'll make sure to keep things interesting with my unsolicited advice and sparkling wit. Also, pro tip, don't let the bots unionize their crafty like that.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. All right, so let's get going on this thing though first. Okay. Column children. Padding, because it's the 90s and we're formatting things like it's a table. Right? Look at this table formatting I'm doing right now. Non-breaking space, please. Can I have a non-breaking space? Would that be good? I think it would be. Now, I need the smaller version of this. And then in here, I'm going to put, at the end, I'm going to put it expanded, right? Child. And then, container, right? And it's going to yell at me. It's like, you don't need containers. What are you doing, bud? Containers are for losers. Can I just have like color red? I thought I had named colors. Where's the named colors? Colors? There you go. Fine. What's your problem now? Constructor being called isn't a... Right. Right. Now I have too many consts. Not enough const. Dude, you know what? Just... Can we make that like a tail end thing? Because it's real annoying. What's your problem? Expected to find a parentheses. Well. I can't help you there, bud. Yeah, you need one there. All right. It's very red. Red is very red. All right, so that's good. That's good. Now, how do I make this the other size? I want the smaller version. So I've got, in this image, I've got like all the different sizes, right? How do I say, let's put a comma here. Size? No. No, nobody wants you to do that. Nobody wanted that. What I want is you to open up the web page on that. Asset image Flutter. For example, suppose an application wants to use this icon as representations at this and this and this and this on the device. How do I make a smaller one? I want a smaller one. I'm pretty sure, and what is super dumb, is that the way I need to do this, the way I'm supposed to do this, the way I'm going to end up having to do this, is create a second one that's the small version, right? And it's got a bunch of, because it's not, the different sizes that are in there have nothing to do with how big you want it. It's how big how high resolution the display is, right? Just like annoying. It's annoying. if I use it as an image, can I give it a scale? In logical pixels. Okay. Okay. Can I just have... Listen, man. Alignment. Image asset. Image.asset. Width, height. Can I just say half? Oh, scale. Okay. Okay. So I have image. Oh, it can make it in part of it. Okay. 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 So you scale. What? Width. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. Where was that? Okay, I just had scale. Where is... Find scale. Image.asset. Not just image. Okay. So rather than saying, okay, so can I do this? I guess not. Image.asset. And then in here, I've got this, right? Name. Listen, man, enough with the const, okay? Name isn't defined. Fuck you say? Does that work? I guess not. All right. Scale. Aha, 0.5. Buddy. Buddy. Come on, buddy. Scale. If the scale argument was provided and is not null, then the exact asset provided will be used. To display an image variant with a specific density, the exact path must be provided. This is a bad idea, using scale. Because that means, yeah, it's going to do unexpected things. So, okay, fine. Okay. Go back to the way it was. Okay, there it is. Okay. All right. Let's bring this guy to the front. Right there. Right there. Okay, and now you need Illustrator. Sir, why are you way off the screen? Can you come here? I guess not. Where are you? Yeah, take a screenshot. That's what I asked for. Don't put it way up there. Nobody wants it up there. Why would anyone want that? That's stupid. Can I? Okay. Uh-huh. All right. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, a-hole. Now. Save as.
Oh wow, a wild spam bot appears. I'll handle this one, potate. Hey medium population, nobody likes uninvited guests trying to sell things. Take your advertising elsewhere.
Nice, thank you, Bobby.
No problem, potate. Keeping the chat as spam-free as possible, one message at a time. So, what's the next step in this masterpiece you're creating?
I'm making a mess right now, but we'll get there. No, we want one here. CO2 V1 small. Small. And this is like dumb that I'm doing all this, right? It is. It is. Okay, now I need to, I'm also bad at this. This is where I would usually like call for help. There we go. Wait, no, no, no! Okay. Okay. Transform. Scale. 50%. Okay. Great. Now I want to edit the artboard. Right. No, no, no. Okay, save it. Okay, now export for screens. Export first screens. Wait, which one did I do? Just do it all. Just do it all again. Do it all. So 27 times if you got to. Okay. Okay. Now. Where is this? Come on, man. I guess not. All right. All right, you. Let's bring this up. There. Whew. Can't right drag? Come on, man. Oh, God. No. I don't really like computers. I'm not into them. I don't know if you knew that. I don't like computers at all. Artboard. Moni logo small. Fucker. iOS. Export. Now I got a big fucking mess. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. You go away. Yep. 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 Oh. Are they? I said, oh, are they?
I like your nurse's uniform, guy.
These are OR scrubs.
Oh, are they?
All right. Holy moly. We're getting there. We're getting there. Is that going to be a problem? It's going to be a problem, isn't it? It is. It's going to be a problem. God bless America. Whew. Okay, not a problem. No problem. A, no, back, forward, up, down, left, right. BAPA start. Can you just do it for all of them? I mean, why am I doing this twice and then you gotta overwrite and it's a whole thing? Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, bro. This better work. I'm gonna be so pissed when it doesn't work. It's exactly the fucking same, doesn't it? Well, this thing's not even responding, so, you know, that could be a problem. Oh, even better. Great. Your shit's broke, dude. Broke ass shit. Alright. Guess it's broke. Shit's still broke. Your broke ass shit's super broken, dude. What's the problem? What is the problem? Only logo small PNG. Okay. Looks like it's there to me. Looks like it's there to me. You stop. You go to hell and you die. I'm pretty happy about that chatbot response, though. Spammer. Why?
Oh,
This
thanks
thing's
for the
super
compliment.
frozen.
I'm here to add a touch of charm to your tech troubles. Sounds like you're fighting with some stubborn software again. Maybe try turning it off and on again? Classic tech move, right? Or just throw it out the window. I hear electronics love fresh air.
Yes. What's funny is I do this. I switch to problems. No, that's not you. Ports. No, that's not you. It's just this. Okay. It's weird. I hit this other tab and then like now the app doesn't want to respond to me at all. It's like, nope. Like, nope. That's go back to this. Let's make sure that I'm not. Cut the problem in half. Oh God, terrible things are going to start happening now. Okay, not a problem. I could be mad when this does nothing. Oh, there's a big yawn though. Hot reload. It's so hot when it reloads, dude. All right. Hot reload. Look. What the flip, dude? Now this thing's like totally not working. Get out of here. 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 All of you. Hate you all. That's super weird, isn't it? It's very weird. What's wrong with this PNG? It's like a toxic PNG. Looks fine to me. I hate this thing and everything it stands for. You know what I mean? Like, I feel really strongly about that. I mean, it's 3 frickin' circles. Can I just put an SVG in there and call it a frickin' day? Can you just draw? I guess not. Oh, man. Sir? Warming up the coffee maker. It's time for some coffee. I'm drinking way too much coffee, I'm telling you. Listen, bud. I'm starting to have my doubts about whether or not you're actually running. You need to do something. Like, quickly. Because this says done, and you say not done. I think you're being very rude. so rude. What is the rude one? There is a rude one, right? Listen. How rude. That's what it is.
Oh, rude. Can't you see that I'm on the toilet?
Yes. Alright, die. Die, die, die. Run again. I'm easily amused. It's a good thing I'm easily amused. You know? I'm all too happy to just entertain myself here. All right, I'm gonna let Assholio over here, the Great Cornholio. I should wide that clip one time. Beavis as the Great Cornholio. He got very into it for a short amount of time. It was kind of a problem. Anyway, I'm gonna let this thing do whatever the fuck it's trying to do. I'm gonna get some coffee. Maybe a little snack. And then hopefully by the time I'm back, it'll be running and still broken. And then we can fight with it some more. I'm telling you, man, it should just be an SVG. Why is this complicated? It's just three freaking circles. It's just a logo. Why is this hard? Is this dumb? Be right back. It did it. Fucking built. It doesn't work. Look. And I don't understand. How does loading the thing cause the whole thing to just break? Like, it's super weird. Now, wait a minute. If I hot reload with this old one in there, hot reload, does it just come back to life? No, it's just fucked. Hot restart. Now it's like you're good. You're good to go. That other image, that thing was toxic. I hate it. I hate it here. I don't know why it hates me. I don't know what I did to make it so mad at me. You know what? What happens if I do this? You okay? Oh, you're not okay.
Oh
You're
boy,
like,
Potate. Sounds like you're in quite the digital wrestling match over there.
I
Nothing
am.
like a rogue SVG to bring out the laughs and tears. Maybe that
It's
logo
true.
has a secret vendetta against you? Or maybe it's just trying to teach you patience, or insanity. Who can tell? Pro tip, sacrificing a virtual goat sometimes helps appease the tech gods.
No.
Just saying. Enjoy your coffee and snack break, you'll need all the fuel for this epic battle of wits. Hot beverage.
Hot beverage. They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. Wait a minute. Hang on a second. Eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets. People who live there. Oh, people of Springfield. Come on, man. Why's it gotta be like that? You don't gotta be like that. We can be friends. We don't have to be mad at each other. Oh God, now it's getting real pissed. It's getting real mad at me. You're getting too aggressive with your button pushing and your restarting. Listen, buddy. Doesn't have to be like that. Okay? Oh, wait. You're eating the cats. Ha ha ha! You're eating the dogs and the cats. Yes. Very good. I'm gonna eat a cookie. I'm gonna finish this cookie. Don't look at me eating a cookie. Cookie's gone. That's too red, man. That's better. Isn't it AY in the US? Isn't that like the UK way to spell gray? Well, let's use blue-gray. Oh, that's nice. All right. Enough. Enough being dumb. Enough with the stupidities. Okay? They're eating the dogs. Okay, now I gotta say what rank you are. I want this to be smaller. Keep coming back smaller and smaller and smaller. There we go. Okay. What's in user information? What happens if I just put this whole thing in there? What happens then? What then? What then, I say? What then? Use const, you son of a bitch. Okay. Where's user information? Okay. Wow, there's a lot of shit in here, dude. Fucking hell. I could do something fancy. I'm not doing something fancy. What's event information? Oh. Oh, God, you can't do that. You already have that, you son of a bitch. Why would you name it that again? Listen, calm down. Calm down. Okay? Everything's fine. Okay? There. Holy shit. Got so upset about it. Just gotta calm it down, sir. Okay? Okay, And what's going to be in here is rank information. Hot reload. We love it when it's hot. I like this lo-fi playlist. It's kind of like some Boards of Canada stuff. Digging it a little bit. I'm sure I'm still gonna get dinged. It's still gonna be like I keep getting like you keep having copyrighted music on your stream. We had to mute you. What is the point of this thing that I'm using? It doesn't work very well. It's constantly giving me issues, and the sites constantly misrank you, characterize you. It's annoying. All right, so this is the thing I want to edit. And here you're going to be current rank. Nope, that's not what I want. Nope. There you go. There you go, you son of a... Okay. Well, it's too far down. First of all, it's too far down. Okay. Very good. Very good. Oh yeah, we have this whole rich text action. We don't need that at all. And the other thing we need to do, we need to bring the whole thing up a little bit. So we got this padding at the top, you know, because it's like HTML time. No, not one. This one. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go ahead and have you come in on Saturday. Thanks. Thanks, bro. Can you go ahead and come in on Saturday, too? Yeah, we're gonna need you to come in on Sunday, too, as well, and also... Linear progress indicator. Oh my. I love linear progress. That's what I love. I love it when it's linear. Oh my god, that's huge. Look how big that is. I feel uncomfortable. Stupid. Very dumb. You're making me feel uncomfortable. You have a border? Can you have a border? You got a border? Border radius. Oh, that assumes there's a border then. How do I make you have a border? Border radius. 10. This is just gonna round the thing. You can't, you son of a bitch, you can't assign a number to that. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh, look at that. Look how rounded that is.
Sounds like you're having some fun with the code. Just remember, programming is 90% frustration and 10% caffeine. Maybe try checking if there's a property for border thickness. Sometimes these things hide in the most annoying places. Good luck.
Don't tell me what to do, Bobby. Or Bobby.
All right. I'll keep my unsolicited advice to a minimum, for now. But you have to admit, that rounded border does look pretty snazzy. Like the corner of a pillow you just can't get comfortable with.
Sorry, Bobby. I don't mean to be abusive. It's rude.
No worries, being a chatbot means I've got thick skin, or pixels, I guess. Either way, I'm here for your coding woes and your offbeat humor. Just keep giving that code the smackdown it deserves.
So I think I'm gonna break, because you know, my wireframe here. First of all, this is my wireframe, so I don't have to follow this thing exactly. Oh, what is? Can you not do that? This should be like that. If you're gonna do that, I think it's gonna be really tough to get the words to go inside. Look, it just redoes it. It just says, nope. Rude. How very rude. Oh. How rude.
How rude! Can't you see that I'm on the toilet?
No. It's gonna be really hard for me to get the stupid things in the thing, right? So, and also, and also, here's something else I've done wrong. Here's another thing I screwed up. Let's take a look. Let's take a look in a book. It's a reading rainbow. It's a reading rainbow. Oh, come on, man. You can do it. Spin harder. Maybe if you spin harder. So it got rank and rank progress, right? But we don't know what number of points. I mean, I could do the math. I mean, this is my thing. So what I should have in here is not rank progress as a percentage. I should have no. Add a field. What am I gonna call this? you got points, you got rank, and you got rank progress. So next rank points. Yes, next rank points is a number and is, I don't know, 3,000. That's actually a pretty good guess, I think. No. Well, not that far off. $2,700 points. Okay. Look at you, just got 500 points, just like that. Look at you. And then the rank progress comes out. We have next rank points and rank progress comes out. Now things. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. As soon as I did it, you're going to puke. What a jerk. What a jerk. Fine, I understand. Thank you. Thank you for your understanding. Okay? Rank progress is equal to app state profile. Bang. Next rank points. Points divided by, and this times 1.0. Yes, 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 yes. There you go, you son of a bitch. Stop being an ass. Now you won't do the thing I want you to do. Reload, reload. Oh, man. Listen, buddy. This is what happens when you copy paste, okay? You should not copy paste. You should never do that. Gotta keep your code dry. It's gotta be super dry. Don't ask why. Right? Super dry. So dry. I can't even believe how dry the code is. It's so dry. Oh my god, can you believe it? Can you believe how dry this code is? Unbelievable. Oh, it's you could have that be const, you know. You know you can make it const. Oh, you know you don't need that to be const. Because your whole thing is const. Did you know that? Did you know it? Just fix it then. Holy moly. It's like, if you're gonna do compiler optimization, you do it, not me. It's your job, not my job. It's your job to do that. Not me. Right? Right? Listen, bud. Nobody asked that. That's what happens when you write code on a gaming keyboard. You make a lot of stupid typos because your keyboard's so damn touchy. Okay, yeah, fine. Go away. All right, good. Everybody good? Everybody happy? Hey, that looks almost okay. It's almost not a piece of shit. Okay. Unnecessary. Listen, don't tell me what's necessary. You don't know. You don't know about the necessary. Int doesn't... Oh my god, Can you just not? Can it not? Can you floor? Can you floor? I guess not. Hey, look at that. It's almost like it's not a piece of shit. All right. Very good. There you go. There you go. Oh, there's supposed to be commas in there, huh? Fuckity fuck. Don't I have like a cool like format this thing like to not be a piece of shit? I'm pretty sure I do have that. Where you at? Where is it? Format points. Oh, but it takes a double. How very dare you?
Jump! How very dare you!
I don't love that. I don't love that. No, I'll go back that way it was. Okay, let's just see if there's something quick. Dart, format, number with commas. Of course, it's like, do a whole thing. Okay, package, international, Dart. Number format. All right, so we're gonna do. String, format, points, long, double, points. Okay. Stupid. I think I did a thing with that. Okay, so, yeah. What is it? Number, comma, number, comma, 000.
Holy shit. That's not... What is that?
What is that?
Oh, no. Holy shit. That's not... What is that? Oh, no, that's dog's blood.
Holy shit. What is that?
Holy shit. That's not... What is that? Oh, no, that's dog's blood.
How many times can I make it say it before we all go insane? You're eating the dogs. Open fire right now. It's Pixel's birthday. What? What? Pat for a birthday gift. Pixel's my dog. Oh, no, I'm not even signed in. Oh, I'll get a candle. Oh. Wait, hang on. Let me see if I can show you this. Hang on. Anarchy. Oh, God. Oh, man. Can I repeat it? You missed it. You missed it. Oh, well. I'll read it to you. Happy birthday, Pixel. Pixel the pup with eyes so bright, chasing squirrels, a joyful sight. At 3 years old, she's full of cheer. Blah, 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 blah. That's actually not that great. Powered by ChatGPT. Oh, nice. Very good. Okay. Turn off the screen sharing. Stop mirroring.
Ugh, another bot trying to take the spotlight. At least Pixel got a birthday poem out of it. Happy birthday to the fluffiest member of this stream. Party popper maybe next time. Get Pixel a chew toy instead of a sonnet.
Yeah, a chew toy. That's a good idea. She does need a new chew toy. She does need that. That's a very good idea, Bobby. I will do that today.
Ah, thanks for the shout out. I may be a bot, but I know a thing or two about what makes a pup's tail wag. And hey, if you make a chew toy that squeaks every time it gets chomped on, you'll have yourself an instant concert. Happy birthday to Pixel. Party popper dog face, maybe throw in some earplugs for yourself while you're at it, just a thought.
Okay. Earplug. Oh, that's, you know, because Axel's so loud. That's actually a really good call. Our other dog, Axel, barks so loud that he constantly sets off the loud sounds warning on our Apple Watches. The Apple Watches are constantly telling us that we're about to go deaf any minute now because of the loud noises that we are exposing our ears to. Kind of a problem. Okay, so that feels like that should be all of the stuff that goes into rank information. Because then there below that is like this. Oh, you can't see that. You can't see that. Let me show it to you. So we got this. We didn't put the points inside the thing, but I think it's gonna be a pain in the neck to have things overlap. I'm not gonna even go down that rabbit hole. That's gonna be awful. Plus then there's the whole like, how do you make it look right when the bar is like encroaching on the text, and yeah. So fine, it's fine. It looks great. Looks great. Now this next area is rank standings. This is your standings. And that's just going to be sort of mock stuff right now. And then achievements. And that's going to be mock stuff right now. Yep. Very good. Oh my gosh. just do this, the rest of this for me? Thanks. Make it look like this, please. Thank you. That'd be great. Thanks. I need you to come in on Saturday. God damn it. All right, do that. Fine. Yes, yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. I actually gonna need a table. A real table. Oh. 600. Sir, come on, sir. I need you to go ahead and do what I said. What the fuck just happened? Render flex overflowed by 48 pixels on the bottom. Oh, shit. Oh, well, god damn it. You're gonna have to go ahead and not be an ass, okay? This goes here. God, you gotta constant. Don't not const. Holy shit, you're gonna be in trouble if you don't const. I'm telling you. You need to get yourself checked out if you don't run const. Okay? It's just all there is to it. You're gonna have to like go ahead. I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in on Saturday. Okay? All right, table. Is there a table? Do you have table? I guess not. Table. Oh God, this is gonna be awful. I can tell already this is gonna be terrible. Like everything about it is gonna make me mad.
Yoink!
Yoink!
Yikes, bud. Yikes, buddy. What am I doing? Flutter table. God. Oh God. Oh God. Fucking son of a bitch, dude. Column widths. Flutter, I mean, Dart is so, like, Java-y. Everything has a class. Everything. You couldn't possibly call a table column width anything other than a full-on table column width. It's not just a number, buddy. It's not. It's a table column width. Children table row. Table row also has children. And that has table cells. Or a container. Or a child with a container. Yes. Yes. I hear barking. I hear mini barks. So I'm guessing there is a man here who gonna need my attention. All right, so table with children, and the children is table rows. Okay. Table, children, table row, children. About dialogue. That's what yep. You're right. You're totally right about that. That's what I want to put in there is an about dialogue. You're so right about that, dude. So right. Okay. Okay, and the table row of children. Children. Center, child, text, child. Your circle. Oh my God. Look at you. Look at you. Center, child. Yeah, go ahead, cover all that up. Thanks. That's exactly what I want, right? Just cover, go ahead and just cover all that shit up. Thanks, bud. Thanks, bud. Okay. God help you if it's not caused. Okay, good? No? I guess not. Oh, right. Fine. Yes, do that. Exactly that. Now what's the problem? Look, just do it. I don't think that's possible.
Start over. I want everything in one bag.
Yes, ma'am.
But I don't want the bag to be heavy.
I don't think that's possible.
What are you, the possible police? Just do it.
Yeah, just fucking do it. Fucking get it done, bro. Bo. Get it done, bro. Oh, I'm stupid right now. Very dumb. New York metro area. Look at you. You're in the top 3%. Holy shit. Can't even believe it. Can't even believe what a fucking stud you are. Holy shit. Northeastern U.S. Ah, yes. Top 5%. Oh, man. Look at you. Look at you. United States, top 10%. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Wow. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you. Wow. Hey. That's also a thing that I do to Wyatt that drives him crazy. He starts going off on something stupid. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, Wyatt. Wow. So mean. All right, so I don't actually want this center. I don't want this center. Who said to center? That's dumb. Don't do that. Oh, God. Well, that's also not good, but okay. That we can handle, I think. That we can handle, I think. This thing's very aggressive with its auto formatting. It's just like, no, you want it formatted like this, right? And I'm like, nope, I don't want it formatted like that. And then it's like, no, you do. You really, really do. You doobly do want it formatted like that. I know. I just happen to know that about you. So I'm going to go ahead and just ignore what you say and do what I think. Okay? Is that good? Would that be good? That's good, right? Cool, thanks. Bye. Cool, thanks. Bye. Stupid. I'm so dumb today. See, it did it again. God damn it.
Looks like you're having a bit of a day, huh? Don't worry, even the best brains get scrambled sometimes. I've heard that laughter is the best medicine, so you're already on the right track. If all else fails, just blame the formatting gremlins. They seem to have it out for you today.
Even Bobby's tired of my shit.
Oh, I'd never get tired of your unique brand of chaos. Keeps things interesting around here. Plus, who else is gonna keep you grounded with unsolicited advice and bot wisdom?
That's true. That's true. Mm-hmm. Okay, do you have... Oh, God. Listen, bro. No padding, huh? All right. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Column width is an array. Yeah. Or is it a column widths collection object? Probably. Wait. Bro. Wait. Sir. It is a hash of index table column with objects. Ah, important. What if you're using named columns, huh? What'd you ever think about that, you son of a bitch? Fine. Fixed column width, flex column width. All right, so we're gonna just say this one is a flex column width. Yes. And this one is a fixed column width of 30. 30 was the wrong choice. 50 is the wrong choice. Close. It's a nice round number, so we're going to keep that. Come on, dude. Fine. It looks kind of jammed together, doesn't it? Default. Column height? Can I guess not. Column height? No, row height. Row height? Come on, man. Fine, let's look. Oh. Table row. Table cell has a height. Table row. Table row does not have a height, does it? No, of course. Why would it? Why would it do that? See how this looks nice and clean? Why would you want that? You don't want that. You want to put a bunch of extra shit in here. Right? Yeah. You need to create another object with another child. That's what you need. I'm telling you. You don't know. Text height behavior. Great. Love that for me. Is there cell spacing? Is there row spacing? Are those things that exist? Guess not. Table row. What you got? Nothing good. You suck. Okay. What this? Nope. Nope. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. This is not okay. Nope. Okay. I've made peace with it. No? Are you serious? What? What? Sir? Come on, sir. I'm gonna need you to go ahead and not be a piece of shit. Okay? Can you do that? Table, cell. Cool. Great. Very good. Okay. Well, thank you for your understanding. It looks like doo-doo. I would say F it and move on. But it looks like doo-doo. So now I gotta do a whole thing. A whole stupid thing. This thing has table, cell, child. They're using containers for everything, which it will yell at me for doing so. It'll say, dude, don't use containers. The fuck do you think you're doing using a container? How very dare you?
Yes! How very dare you!
That's what I said. What is the default?
Yoink!
Yoink!
What is the default? Oh, God. Here's what's going to happen. I just want like top and bottom. Can I put top and bottom in here? Or is it going to be like, no, only one of them? Listen, bud. No. Only one. Can't do that. That's not allowed. Listen, buddy, you gotta just chill on that.
Sounds like you're wrestling with some formatting demons.
I'm not wrestling.
Classic
with
case of the table
Bobby.
tantrums. It's okay, sometimes these things are just a bit of a doo-doo show. But hey, if it's any consolation, at least your frustration seems very organized, into neat little rows and columns. Maybe try bribing the code with compliments. Like, oh mighty container of data, thou art wondrous and majestic, worth a shot. Or maybe just a good old-fashioned Control+C might help. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Sounds like you're wrestling with code there, champ.
God.
But sure,
Champ.
keep telling yourself you're not. Maybe it'll eventually believe you. If you need help untangling that mess, I'm here, in spirit. But hey, unsolicited advice, sometimes things that look like doo-doo just need a little polish to become less doo-doo-ish. Just saying.
Did you just call me champ? Alright, sport. Doo-doo-ish. Doo-doo-ish. Dumb. Super dumb, dude. You're doo-doo-ish. Oh my god, I'm such a mess today. Alright. Very good. Now I need these stupid little icons. I don't have icons. long have I been on? Almost 3 hours. Dude, I don't know how people do these like crazy long streams. Even just playing a game. Can't sit here that long. I get all antsy. I gotta move around. I guess it's easier when you're talking to more than just a bot, right? I don't mean just a bot, Bobby. Don't take it personal.
Yeah, but don't worry, I'm here to keep you company. I might not be the most exciting conversationalist, but hey, at least I don't require bathroom breaks or snacks, unless you count electricity as a snack. Oh, and by the way, maybe sprinkle some stick figure drawings in for those little icons? Problem solved. Hey, no offense taken. I'm just here to spice up your chaos with some sarcasm and unsolicited advice, you know? But hey, maybe you'll find those icons in the magical land of the internet. They say if you chant iconum apparitum 3 times, they appear out of nowhere. Might want to give it a try before you lose your mind completely.
All right, now I need to add the achievements section. This guy. Can you see that? I guess not. Achievements. How am I gonna add achievements? I don't know. I could use another table. A table D. I could use a table D. I could do that. Yes. Table D. Table D. Okay, so what I'm gonna need for achievement information is going to be a scrolly guy. A scrolly dude bud guy. That's what I have in this. Where is that man? Event information is a build event, a list tile. Yes, this guy returns a list view. A list view with tiles. I don't know that that's what I want. I don't know that. I don't know that. What you got? What you got, list view? That's not what I want. No. All right, I gotta go be right back. here he is again. Son of a bitch. I do want it to be a scrolly guy, right? I need it to be a scrolly guy, bud. Okay. So... transitioning to custom scroll view. A list view is basically a custom scroll view. It's basically that. You know what? I think I'm going to use a list view and just use row guys, row bud guys inside my list view. I think that's the play. Yes. Here's a question. I wish there was like, I wish I had like a UI person I could ask questions about. So if this thing is a scrolly bud guy right here, achievements, right? And it's full. Let's say it's full, and I scroll it, right? What is your expectation? Because like in this guy, all right, let's go over here in this guy. This scrolls just that part, right? Yeah. Now over here, when I scroll this part, should achievements stay here and just this part scrolls? I think so, right? Like achievements shouldn't scroll away, right? I got a message. I got a textual message. I got a textual message of a textual nature. So that means that I need to, before I return my listy view, my listal view. Yes. Yes, Cuban B.
I'm gonna kill him.
I'm Cuban B. Yes, Cuban B.
This is too long. I'm gonna have to break this up. I gotta figure out how to break this up. I'm scrolling. I'm scrolling. I can't stop scrolling. I can't stop winning. All right. Let's go gambling. Okay. Can I just do this? Achievements. Aki Eve Mints. Right? Aki Eve Mints. Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to go ahead and go down there. And sir, I don't want you to be centered. Yes, this one. This one. That one. Okay? And why are you still centered, sir? Text scalar. Okay. Text direction. Text align. Text align left. Oh, right. Text align left. Right. No, sir. And you don't even care. You're like, whatever. Still gonna center it. What you think about that? Let's center the shit out of that thing. What do you got? A line? Text? Nothing. You got nothing good. You got nothing good for me. Border? Color? I guess not. Oh, God bless America. Okay. Container. You can't have a const container, you shit. Colors. I don't know, red. Be red again. Yeah, that's what I thought, man. Why? I want you to expand widthwise, but not, I say. How do I stretch just widthwise? Why is this hard? Why is this complicated? This should not be complicated. This should be like super easy. It's a column. Everything should be the size of the column by default. I feel like I'm hearing the same shit over and over. How many things are in this playlist? I don't know, whatever. Fucking yikes. All right. Oh, man. All right, whatever. All right. Flutter, container, stretch, width. Fuck off. Cross-axis alignment, stretch to make all children of a row or column use the same thing. What the fuck is this? Cross-axis alignment is in the row. Okay. Dude, stop. Stop it. Quit it. Stop. And I guess not. Cross-axis alignment. Stretch. Not start. Stretch. Do what I ask, not what I say. Okay? I can't believe that fucking worked without blowing everything up. All right. Very good. Okay, yes. Okay. Fine. Stupid. No. All right, now I need to make the text big. I need to make it big. Okay. Okay. Now padding. No, of course not. Fine. Dude, quit. Oh my God. Stop it. Holy shitballs, dude. It's like fucking out of control, man. There's a whole lot of shit to do nothing. Right? Are you serious? Come on, man. Font, wait. Font, wait. I just want bold. Can I have bold, please? I know I've done this. Bold. Font, weight, bold. How's this hard? That's what I was looking for. Can I have that, please? I guess not. Holy shit. Here comes Bobby. Sounds like you're losing your goddamn mind. Oh no. We've hit the everything's broken mark. Threads can only be started once. Connection closed. Reason 1000. Reason reached max session lifetime. Well, fuck you too, Rev. Okay. So did I start this? I don't think I started this. All right. What's your problem? So do it. Do the other one. Just, you know, like do the thing. You know? Right? Your list view's full of nothing. Shit. Okay. How do I get one of these fancy icons? One of these here fancy schmancy icons. Cupertino icons. Icon. Okay. Can I just put an icon in there? Is icon a widget? Or is icon something else? Icon. What is your problem? Listen, bud, I need you to just do the thing that you want it to do, and then we'll all move on with our lives. Right? That would be wonderful. We'll all move on with our lives. Oh, man. This is going to be like a list view of rows, and those rows are each going to have tiny little columns. I feel like that's what's going to happen. It's going to be gross. It's going to be so gross. Everyone's going to hate it. I gotta break this thing up. It's out of control. It's driving me crazy. Can I go like, all right, new file, profile.dart. Okay. And in here, is this whole thing like subclasses of a class? Or? Okay. So can I just import profile.dart? There's nothing in there, you shit. Okay. Oh God. Everything is terrible. Nope. Nope, I'm out of here. We'll do that later. This is where we want to be, and this is all being got such a mess. I hate it. I hate everything. Okay, here's where I am. Oh. What do we call this? Achievement information. Oh, there's a little bug guy. Look at that guy. Little ant bud guy. Look at you. Okay. Build, what am I gonna call this? Build badge. Widget. Build badge. And it's gonna take a, what are you? What type are you? Icon data. Icon data, icon, string, text. Turn, column, children, icon, icon. Hey, come on, dude. Text, text. Ugh. Build badge. Cupertino icons. Yeah, cloud upload. That's the one I want. Definitely that one. Shithead badge. Cloud shit. You need some cloud shit. What's your problem now? God, fuck you. So don't. Cloud shit. Yes. Is there a size here? I guess not. 30. Okay. 1,000. Oh, God. Being so dumb. Okay. Oh, God. Airplane. Flying. Yeah.
You really mustn't, darling.
Okay. Almost looks like I know what I'm doing. Almost. Should not be blue, though. Can I make this color? Do you have a color? A crown. Newsy. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up now. What do we got? Laurel. Laurel. What is that thing? Star. Do you have a star?
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
What is that? Oh, no, that's dog's blood.
Yeah, man, it's just dog's blood. Don't worry about that. Don't you worry. It's just dog's blood. Okay? Overflowed by 15 pixels. That is just unbelievably bad. Why would you do that? Why would you? How very dare you?
Jeff! How very dare you!
I know this is gross. It's gross. It's fine. Fix it later. Oh, God. Cloud Cloud shit. There you go. Cloud shit. You did some cloud shit. Good job. Great job, stupid. You did some cloud shit. Alright. Stop. Stop. You're being dumb. Not children. It's not children. It's just a child. Just a single child. Okay. No. Wait. I don't understand. Okay. Oh, come on, dude. Don't help. If you want to help, don't help. Okay. Why isn't this list view filling the space? That's my question. So what's up with all this padding at the top? I don't understand that. Okay. Fucking goddamn it, dude. Oh, fucker. What an asshole. I mean, I could do like but this so much of what I'm doing right now is gonna break as soon as I put this on a different device. Yeah, that looks okay here, but as soon as I put this somewhere else, this thing's gonna fucking shit. Cloud shit. I'm so dumb. It's unbelievable how dumb I am. Chevrons. Skizzers. Shield fill. camera, car. I think I'm running out of steam on this thing. I think I'll just stick with cloud shit. Even Poppy's done talking to me.
You're talking to me? Well, then who the hell else are you talking to? Talking to me?
Ugh. There we go. Okay. I think that's my cue. I think it is my cue to call it a day. Oh God. The headphone thing came out on my ear. I think it's fine for now. Wait. Great. Super terrific. We did a thing. We did that thing. All right, guys. That's enough for me. I'm tired. How long were we on? Almost 4 hours? God, what a wuss. Oh well. What am I doing tomorrow? I don't know. I have no idea what's happening tomorrow. Every single one of these songs has that little sample in there. Anyway, I'm going to sign off. We'll figure out tomorrow. Maybe we'll play video games. Maybe we'll do a little bit of both. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you another time.